Hi, this is Litre from About Parts. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai TUCSON, stock number 6073. This ran from 07-2015 to 01-2021. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 19-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, one dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, one dent. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,